Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Curious about your past designs? I'll show you how to check your Canva history. Open Canva and choose an existing design or create a new one. Once your design is loaded, navigate to the top menu and click on File. In the drop-down menu, locate and select Version History. This option lets you view previous versions of your design, making it easy to track changes or revert to an earlier state if needed. View the version history from the side panel. Simply select it to see how your Canva design has changed over time. Each update or modification you make is tracked, allowing you to review previous versions and monitor the evolution of your project. This feature helps you compare changes, revert to earlier stages, or keep a clear record of all updates. Here's the current version. This function lets you restore a previous version you recently edited. For example, if you made changes to this item, you can easily go back to an earlier state. Simply select the version you want to restore, confirm your selection, and your content will be reverted to that previous version instantly. Click Restore to replace the current version with a previous one. This action updates your document, reverting it to the selected version's content. To create a new batch design, it's best to make a copy before editing the current version. To do this, click the Copy button. This creates a duplicate of your existing batch design. Now you're ready to make changes to the copy without affecting the original version. To change the current version, start by making a copy of the previous version. Click Make a Copy to duplicate it. Next, exit out of the current view. Afterwards, you can view the copy side by side with the original. This allows you to compare and confirm that there aren't many changes between versions. Use this method to efficiently track edits and maintain version control as you work. Click the File menu at the top of your screen. From the dropdown, select Version History to view previous versions of your document. Next, choose the specific file version you want. With that version selected, click Make a Copy. This will create a new document that preserves that version's content. You can now edit this copy separately while maintaining the original version in your history for future reference if needed. Now you can choose from different radial effects in this section. Select the effect you prefer to customize your project's appearance based on the available options in the menu. To use personal history in Canva, select your design, then click Share to share your work or Download to save it. Before downloading, adjust the size settings to ensure high-quality images for your needs. Now you can easily check your design history in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.